Hello, my old school soul food family. It is Friday night, y'all, and that means Friday night cake of the week. No, it's Friday night pie of the week. You know, this month I'm doing pies every Friday night, and I'm also this month doing air fryer recipes. So I'm doing like they say in the country. I'm killing two birds with one stone, y'all. So tonight we're gonna make fried peach pies in the air fryer, y'all. Hold on, just a second. Yep, fried pies in the air fryer. So tonight I'm doing my fried old school. I'm using my old school peach preserves here, homemade peach preserve. I'm gonna put it in a dough. We're gonna shape it out there, and we're gonna have some old school fried pies. It's very simple, very easy. You can do this in the oven, same way I'm doing it in the air fryer, but I'm doing it in the air fryer here. I got two air fryers, y'all. You know. I like this one because it's just a simple knob. You turn the timer, turn the temperature. But they got the temperature here set on, what is setting at on this thing? Setting here is, setting on 350 here, y'all. Kind of hard to see this thing. Here we go. Set it on 350. Matter of fact, I'm going to preheat it for 5 minutes here, y'all. I like to preheat it for 5 minutes. I got on 350. And this is a professional air fryer. Professional series. And I have another one over here. I have an Airwise air fryer also. So let's get started, y'all. First thing, I got some, put a little water in here. And all this is egg wash. All this is water and egg and one egg, y'all. And I'm going to use this to brush to seal the fried pies, to seal the pie dough. It's gonna be my glue, y'all. So first thing I'm gonna do, y'all know I use my Pillsbury pie crust here. I don't make no pie crust. I can, but I don't do it because, like I say, I got lots of other things to do in the kitchen, but messing around with pie dough. So let's get these things unraveled here. Come out of here. Right, set the other one to the side here. Unroll this one here. Ready? Roll it out. This you don't really have to put flour on the bottom. And what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna cut out some circles with my cutter here. Cut the little circles out. Get out of here, y'all. Here, and I might get one more. So put the circles right here on the board, and I'm making small. I don't want to come all the way through here, y'all. Making small ones, y'all. Alrighty, and I'm gonna put it back together and see if I can get one more. Hold it up. I don't know if I can get one more here. Get one more. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now, push this to the side. Now, all I'm going to do, I'm going to take a little of my old school peach preserves. Go wrong with homemade peach preserves, y'all. But just a little in the middle. First thing I'm gonna do, I need to brush the dough, y'all. Make sure y'all can see this. Make sure y'all can see what I'm doing. Yeah, y'all can see what I'm doing. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna brush the pie dough. And really, you do this before so you don't see. You don't mess up the filling. That over here. The filling in the middle. Don't take much. I'm making these small, y'all. You can make them bigger. I'm just doing little bitty ones. I can fit them all in my air fryer. here. A bit more there. Okay. Now all I'm gonna do, fold them over. Fold them over. Let's show you. I'm making the small ones, little bite-sized ones. So you can eat more, and it's not like you're eating so many, right? It's all in your head. Fold it over. Fold it over. Now I come back with my fork here, and I just seal them down with the fork. Put them in the plate over here. Put them on the plate here. Make sure you seal them good because you don't want the filling to come out of them, y'all. See what I'm doing. Yeah, y'all can see what I'm doing. Make sure y'all can kind of see what I'm doing. Eventually I'll get one of them islands and the fancy kitchen, y'all would really see what I'm doing better. Okay. Now, see how timing? 5 minutes. It took 5 minutes, y'all, to do that. Now, before I put them in there, in the air fryer, I'm going to egg wash the top of them. So they get a nice color on them. See that? Get a nice color on them before I put them in the air fryer. Okay. If not, you don't have to egg wash. You can also spray it. So I spray the bottom of the pan. Be careful when y'all do this, because when you preheat it, because this air fryer is hot. And if you touch the sides, you will remember it for a long time that you touch the sides of this air fryer, y'all. Because every time you look at your arm, you will see it. You'll see that burn mark. Okay. And y'all see that? Okay, now. Put them in the air fryer here. I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes and let it go on 350. While that's cooking, I'm gonna do the other one. Do the other roll of dough there. Simple and easy, y'all. Simple and easy. And in the oven, if you're doing it in the oven, I think it takes maybe 15 minutes or so. Okay, same way I did the other one. Take the dough, roll them out. Get my cutter. Make sure I cut all the way through this time, y'all. Took a little easy on the other ones. Not these. Make sure it go all the way through. Righty. Dough up here. Put the dough out in there. A little simple, easy video, y'all. I'm gonna save this dough here. We're gonna roll it out, y'all. I'm gonna get my rolling pin and we're gonna roll it out and make a few more. Okay. Gonna egg wash the inside. Get an egg wash here, or they'll stick. And after 5 minutes, I'm gonna kind of peek at it, y'all, and make sure it's not getting too dark. Break these up a little, y'all. There we go. I got a good supply of fruit in the middle of it. So you put the fruit right in the middle, y'all. Very important. So when you fold it over, and what I do, I try to break up the fruit a little, y'all, so it's evenly distributed. And you can use any kind of, if you don't have old school, of course you ain't got no old school peach preserve, you can use any kind of, you can use any kind of fruit in it. Apple, raspberry, blackberry, pear. Like I said, it's very important that you put your egg wash on there so you can seal it. And you just take the fork, seal them down, put on your plate over there. Smelling good in here, y'all. Smelling absolutely amazing in here. Like you say, you can make these as small as big as you want. I'm making them small because I can just two little 2-biters, you know. This would be perfect for a little party, dinner party. Got friends over, make about 3 or 4 dozen of these. They'll love you for life. They'll love you for life, y'all. Clean my board off. So we're gonna roll out a few more of these, y'all. In 5 minutes, we're gonna take a little peek at them. See what we got here. Oh yeah, they coming along just good, y'all. Coming along just perfect there. Okay. Brush these here. I think I might want to put a little spray on these, y'all. See how many minutes I got on here. Oh yeah, I'm 5 minutes into it, y'all. So we're gonna come back here. I'm gonna step off here. I'm gonna roll some more dough out, and I'll be right back when these are ready. And I'm putting the other ones in. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back. Okay, the timer just went off, and look what we got here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, give me 1 second here. We're gonna take these off. Put them on the plate here. Look at that. This took exactly 10 minutes, y'all. Exactly 10 minutes in the air fryer. Look how pretty those are. See what the egg wash does to them? Look at that. Nice and flaky. Okay, y'all. I got my other ones to put in there. Y'all remember these here? Put these in there. Get them to start cooking. One more in there. Alright, we're going to set it on 10 minutes. And there we go. I got some more here. Y'all remember I re-rolled the dough, that leftover dough that I had. I re-rolled it out. Put some egg wash on top of these. And when those come out, I'm going to put them in, and we're almost through with this dish, y'all. So easy. That's an easy dessert, y'all. Very easy dessert. Look at that. Look at those. Nice. Nice fried pies. Fried peach pies, y'all, in the air fryer. Can't go wrong with that. So we'll be right back when these are ready. When all of them are ready, I will be back, and we're going to sample these things. I already know they're good, but we'll be right back. Well, I got all of them completely ready. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back, and look how beautiful golden brown these things are. And the key of these, they're not greasy like it used to be. You know, we grew up with fried pies in the oil and got a little greasy. These are not greasy. They are perfectly cooked, brown, hot inside, and without the grease. Like y'all see how easy it is and quick to make that. That's why I'm focusing this month on my air fryer. I have 2 of them. Sometimes I may have them both going at the same time depending on what I'm cooking. I'm going to do a cake one night in them. I'm going to do chicken wings. I'm going to do vegetables. I'm going to do all kinds of things in this air fryer, which is very awesome piece of equipment. I love my air fryer. I just haven't put all the recipes out. So the month of April, I promised myself and y'all that I'm gonna focus on doing the air fryer recipes that I created. So anyway, let's try this here. Show y'all how good this is. Look at this one here. It's still hot. I know these things are hot. The filling is hot inside. Ooh, see that smoke come out of them? Oh man, I could eat the whole plate. No, I'm just kidding. But I can eat 6 or 7 of these. Oh, excuse me, this stuff is hot. That nice filling in there. Old school peach preserve, baby. Dough is perfectly cooked. Give me a second here, y'all. That's hot. And what you can do, and what I'm going to do with these, at least half of them, you can put them in a Ziploc bag, or if you got a food saver like I do, and freeze them. And when you got a sweet tooth, want something sweet, I pull them out of the freezer. I pop them in the microwave for 30 seconds. That's all it takes. 30 seconds, sometimes 45 seconds. That quick. They take just like you made them from that day. So, like I said, you can make apple, blackberry. These, of course, is peach. You can make pineapple, strawberry. I mean, you can just go in the store and get you. If you don't have, like I say, old school, even though I'm gonna put a link to my old school peach jelly, peach preserves, I'll put that at the end of this video. If you don't have that, just get you some preserves out of the store. It'll work. And put them in there. Get you some. Go buy you some powder. Make it easy on yourself. Make it an easy dessert. If you're using an easy way of cooking in the air fryer, make it easy on yourself. It takes 10 minutes. And it took me longer. I had to do 3 batches. It really took 30 minutes. But really it took 5 minutes to prep it and get it cut up and put it in the fryer. 10 minutes to cook. 15 minutes, you got you some desserts. So anyway, just wanted to share that with y'all. That's my Friday night pie of the week this week. And I'm killing 2 birds with 1 stone. Also my air fryer recipe. So anyway, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please comment. Please share. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. And remember, the hashtag this year is help somebody, old school soul food. Remember, get out there and help somebody. I don't focus on it enough. I usually just say it to go on, but when I mean help somebody, it don't mean with money all the time. It might mean just, like I say, buying somebody a cup of coffee, giving somebody an encouraging word that looks down. Open the door with somebody will have groceries in their hand. Or you see a neighbor getting out so many groceries, help them with their neighbors with the groceries. Put it in the, just give somebody a wave at the light. Somebody might be going through something in the car. Heard a song that they remembered about their parents and something. Just look over and just give them a wave, encouraging word. They might look at you like you're a weirdo, but just tell them God loves you and everything's gonna be all right. That could lift somebody's day and lift somebody's spirit. So anyway, enough of preaching. So anyway, until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.